This video gives you an opportunity to practice the skills that were demonstrated in the GSolve tutorial. So there are 2 questions, and each question has a part A and B. In the first part, you simply have to sketch the curve on your graphical calculator. In part B, you're going to be using GSolve to find key values on the curve. I'll go through my answers one at a time, and I've given my answers to 3 significant figures. So pause the video and have a go at question 1. Okay, welcome back. Here are my answers for part B. For the roots of the curve, I got x equals negative 1.05, 0.571 and 8.12 all rounded to 3 sig fig. For the coordinates of the minimum and maximum points, I got a maximum at minus 0.302, 6.94 and a minimum at 4.67 minus 62.2. I got the y-intercept as 6 and the value of y when x equals 6 I got as negative 51.6. Okay, here's question 2 then. There are 2 curves this time. Pause the video and then come back and check your solution against mine. Welcome back. Here are my solutions for part B then. The roots of the quadratic curve I got as x equals minus 4.74 and minus 0.264. It's worth pointing out here that GSolve is not the best way to find roots of quadratics. You can get the exact values if you use the equation solver. The minimum point on the quadratic is at x equals minus 2.5. The y-intercept of the exponential curve, y equals 2 to the power x minus 1, is 0.5. The value of x when y equals 5 is x equals 3.32 to 3 sig fig. And the points of intersection between the 2 curves, I got 3 of them, minus 4.75, 0.0186, 0.5, and 5.60, 24.2,